This file presents how to do a quick registration for a candidate. A candidate is a potential employee, someone who you expect to make a contract offer to, otherwise you wouldn't waste the time to enter them into the system. Once they have been hired, they are then transferred into the staff file and carry on. So when we're at the home, Human Resources home, we click on the Candidates tab, and we're at the active list of candidates. Here we've actually got 3 active candidates and 1 of our test candidates. The plus sign, of course, is for a new candidate, but I won't do that here because we have followed through that procedure on the quick registration for staff, which is, and in this system it's very much similar. You'll see here we see the information about the department that this person is going into, their position, and so on. Now I'll just open this file up, and it opens because I will click to the quick register, which it will do when you create a new file. It automatically sets the candidate as active and sets the status for staff or teacher status as candidate, so that they're an active candidate, if you will. Personal information is filled out again as we had before, with the foreign or local and the Mrs. or Mr. and same with the female. The female actually sets this right. The family name last or the family name first. In this case we're using the Western format because she's the foreign teacher. And we have her given name, plus we put in the spot here for middle names. This is optional at this point in time, but if you have the chance to put it in, might as well put it in. The teaching name is put here if it's applicable. You can not bother with it. And again, the birth date and so on. We've then got the contact points during the interview process, because sometimes we're dealing with foreign teachers who are either in Canada, they could be in the United States, they could be in Australia, they could be in Thailand or Japan. So we need to be able to get their personal email that we can deal with them. If we're going to Skype them, we need a Skype name. If we're going to do FaceTime, we need a FaceTime name. We also need a local phone number if they are living in the school's host country, or their overseas phone number if we're going to call them. The current location is useful. For example, you could put someone's in Vancouver, Canada. Then they're 9 hours away in the time zone, and there's a city in the country. And of course, we can do a test email. Health information that we should get from them is regarding glasses and allergies at this point, and more information can come later. So that sets up the premise for the quick registration of a candidate.